Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use the PageModo welcome page that I created. It's a template. So this is the plain template that you are seeing right here. A finished product, and you'll notice some modifications that I created at the bottom would be something like this that I did for this particular business. You'll notice that at the bottom I actually got rid of the center photo area and made these boxes just a little bit longer and larger. Obviously you can do whatever you want once you start using the template, but I just wanted to show you that this is very modifiable, and so you can make it fit your business and kind of your aesthetic eye. When I was looking at it, I just decided that it didn't look good the way that I had it to have this box right here. So lots of choices. Here are a couple of things. In my previous cast that I did for the Facebook profile banner, I showed you how to use the clipping masks. So I'll just go over that briefly, but I'm not really going to go into that right now because it's really in that other screencast. So here is, like I said, here's the template. The background you'll see is at the bottom. This is this gray background here. And so, I can choose a main background color. Again, Sassy Designs, sassydesigns.net, and there's a hyphen between Sassy and Designs. That's where I get all of my really cool digital papers. And so, you can just kind of put something up here and adjust it to clip into that area. Let's say okay, and then I'm going to clip it above what I am clipping it to. So I'm clipping it to this background area, and now it's clipped in, so it's not going to go up in one of these boxes or anything crazy. If I decided I didn't want that there, then I can change that very easily. Just drag and drop it into the trash can, or right click, delete, whatever your preference is on that. I wanted to show you though some modifications, like I said, to something like the bottom here. So I recommend that if you choose, for example, if you don't want this bottom center image, what I would recommend doing is not deleting it. I would actually recommend just making it not visible at this point. And then you can kind of go for there. Then the bottom, I have this labeled as the bottom right pick. I'll fix that before I upload it for you guys. So, maybe I stretch this a little bit, or maybe I shrink it a little bit. That's going to be up to you, what you would like to do. Another cool thing that you can do is, once you have some of your layers in here, so I want to add this to the frame, so I clicked on the bottom frame, and I'm just going to make it big enough to fit in there, and then Control G is going to clip it in. I can add a layer right above this of a solid color. So say I wanted like a white arrow, like you saw probably over here. I did this arrow. So you add that, and then, oh my gosh, where'd everything go? Don't worry. We're going to use our little cookie cutter tool over here. And let's see. Oh, maybe I want to point to something. So I'm going to point to this guy over here. I'm going to kind of get it centered where I want it. So everything else disappears, and I'm only cutting out just that part of the layer that I want to be this color. And so there it is. Now it's pointing to something important, for example. So that's how you can achieve something like that with this. This is easy to play with. It's pretty easy to work with. If you have any questions, the best place to ask is my Facebook page, and I'm always willing to answer your questions on how to do any of this, how to work with it, etc. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.